Have you ever uploaded your video already on YouTube and you remember that, oh, I made a mistake, I have to delete it, or your end video look this way? If you are using CapCut, this will really happen to you sometimes. You don't need to delete it. You don't need to delete it. You can re-edit it wide on YouTube right there. I'm going to take you guys along with me as we will do it together. We are going to do it on CapCut and on phone. All right, let's go straight into it. Alright, on your laptop, click on your profile picture. After this, I will show you guys on phone too. Under your profile picture, you find your YouTube studio, click on it. It will take you straight to your dashboard channel. On your dashboard, click on your content under the dashboard. Then it will take you straight to all the content you've uploaded on your channel. Then you go on and choose on the video you want to edit. Then you click on the editor under the video you want to edit. It's not hard at all, just follow this step. Then after clicking on the editor, it will take you straight to where you have to trim and cut, blur, audio, and screen and video cards like info cards. Go on and tap on your trim and cut. It will bring you this blue line. Make sure your arrow always stay on that blue line. If not, you won't be able to move around at all. Then you go on and tap on your touch screen or your laptop or your touchpad and you delete where you know that you made mistake. I'll show you how to do it. This is what I mean. This is your touch screen and that is your touch pad. Make sure you put one hand down. If you are working on your left side or your right hand, it depends. So make sure you tap your hand down, then you use your touch screen to control what you are trying to trim out. It's not hard, as simple as that. So I'm trying to edit that black stuff because you can see this CapCut. So I don't want it at the end of my video while on YouTube. Before you do this, make sure you've already put your video on private. If your video already have views, just go on and do it. You don't need to put it on private because as you are trying to edit it, if you say you should put it on private, you don't know if someone is watching the video already. Then it will tell them that, oh, the video is on private. That is, they cannot continue watching your video anymore. So it will ask you that the video is being processed. Then you have to come back to check if it is well done. Then let's go straight to the phone users. On your phone, go to your Google, your Chrome, and go on and type on www.youtube.com Chrome login. Let's find our own Chrome login here. So you tap on it. You should scroll it down to find your studio dashboard login. I'm trying to find mine. So, okay, this is it. I find my studio YouTube dashboard. So I'll click on it and I'll tap on the login. It will take me straight to my dashboard. So I'll go on and tap on the content as I showed you guys earlier on the laptop. This is for you to just take you straight to your dashboard mode. So I'll go on and click on the editor. That is what the editor look like on phone. So I'll go on. This is my first time trying to edit on this channel. So I click on the started, then I'll just try and go on to click on the trim and cut. So this is my trim and cut. I'll tap on it, then it will give me this blue line. Make sure you always work with a blue line because when you tap in the middle, it won't work. So I'm trying to show you guys what it is, like what it looks like. As a matter of fact, it's so easy if you want to edit the video on your phone than laptop. But I love it too. But I love the laptop more than phone though. So I'll surely tap on my blue line, then I'll try to swipe it front and a little bit just for me to cut out that cap cut. And yeah, I uploaded this video basically because of this video particularly. Not that I want to upload this video on my video, but I do make some mistake on my main channel like this. So yeah. So on the music, I want to add a music. Like if you want to add any music at all, it's not hard. Just go on and find a music. Make sure you first listen to this music first. Then you click on add. You add it. Then you are good to go. When you are trying to add any music from your YouTube studio, make sure you tap on the volume and you load the volume from here because if you don't load it, the music might make noise more than your own video. So I'm just trying to place my audio where I want it to be. Let me place it here. I don't want it to be too long. Okay, it's okay here. If you are working on this, make sure you just tap on the arrow. I love to use laptop to do this. It's so difficult for me while using phone. You can see the way I'm just trying to swipe it. It's not moving. As long as it's on laptop, after I click on my task screen, I will just move it around and it's good to go. Okay, let's work on the blur. I've never used this blur before. Let's see what is this. Okay, if you want to cover anything at all, like you made some mistake or you don't want people to see what you show there, okay, you can just go on and blur it here. Oh, this is good. It's so good. Let's use this rectangle. Okay, you can widen it as you want. This is so good though. I've never tried it once. My first time. You can even move it around. And yeah, you can save it. This is good. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my own wonderful channel, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.